Hi everyone, today in Lana's kitchen I'll be making matzo brei. Make perfect matzo brei. Get 3 boards of matzah and break into a bowl. Matzah in hot boiling water. Drain water and begin to add the 4 eggs. Then mix. Now begin to add 2 tablespoons of butter into a frying pan. Next, add salt. A 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Mix. Then add mixture to hot pan. Wait till it becomes golden brown on both sides. Cook matzo brei on a medium heat until golden brown on both sides. Matzo brei looks delicious. It's almost ready. This matzo brei looks amazing. You see how it fluffed up so nicely with the 1/4 cup of cream? The matzo brei is all finished and it looks delicious. It smells delicious. You can eat it with fig jam, some raspberry preserves, or some warm maple syrup. It's really up to you. You decide. Anyway, it will be delicious. Bye for now. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe, and share my video on Lana's Kitchen channel. Thanks. Bye.